So another key principle you'll learn in the Revolutionizing Reliability Academy is risk guidance. Risk guidance is exactly the same thing as when you're driving a car down the road and you look to where the guardrail is, you look to where the oncoming traffic is, you look to see how fast you're going, and you make constant small adjustments so that you get to your destination in the most efficient way possible. What's the alternative? Well, the alternative would be closing your eyes, listening to you scrape on the guardrail, and that's when you turn the wheel. Hearing cars honk at you, turn the wheel dramatically again. And very often we do that in product development programs. Risk guidance helps us identify risks and have it be a constant stream of information to help us make constant small corrections so we are getting to our goal as efficient as possible. Another key principle with risk is you always want to go after the critical few and not get stuck in the trivial many. What does that mean? Well, there are so many different areas that we want to work on in our program because we see risk. Now, it can be really overwhelming and also confusing where to work. Sometimes we end up just focusing on the things that are associated to our expertise. Other times we end up focusing on things that are the newest issues we found. But these may not be the ones that have the biggest impact. We always want to be going after the critical few, the ones that will have the biggest impact for each issue we solve, and not get stuck in the trivial many. And you'll learn how to do that in risk guidance in the Revolutionizing Reliability Academy. Ratio factors. What are ratio factors? Ratio factors are all the factors that guide our decisions. Where did they come from? They come from defining how we want to take market share with our product. An example is, if you were to buy a power drill, there's a cost point for a specific model. There are numbers of features. There is a reliability. There is a time it gets to the market. Those are all very important factors in having that specific model power drill take the market share it's supposed to. And if we are going to define those in advance and have that structure the program, we have to make sure the product we release at the end of that program matches those. And so often it doesn't. Because of all the pressures and decisions we have to make during a product development program, we can very easily get lost. So ratio factors are identifying those key elements to a successful product and ensuring you end up releasing the product you intended to make.